what is past participle? And do you know other types of participle?
Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Learning Tree. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Level up your learning.
Namaskar, students. You are watching our YouTube channel, The Learning Tree. In this video, today I will give you a conceptual lecture on participles in English grammar. Let's begin the class. So, what do you mean by participle? Participle বুলি ক'লে তোমালোকে কি বুজি পোৱা? Simply you can say a verb that specially helps adjective in one time in a sentence, you can say as participle. তাৰ মানে ভাৰ্বে যেতিয়া এডজেক্টিভৰ হৈ কাম কৰে তেতিয়া ভাৰ্ব আৰু এডজেক্টিভ একেলগে লগ লাগি যেতিয়া বাক্যটো এক বিশেষ ৰূপ দিয়ে তেতিয়া তাক পাৰ্টিসিপল বুলি কোৱা হয়। Then what are the different types of participle? You heard of past participle already. তোমালোকে already past participle শুনিছা নহয় জানো? So what are the other parts of participles, right? So let's begin. Present participle. What is present participle? So always remember participle. In every types of participle, it may have present participle, or it may be past participle, it may perfect participle, participle adjective, or gerund. In every participle, verb plus ing is very common. গোটেই participle যিকোনো types অতে verb লগত ing যোগ হ'বই. So let's begin with an example, right? Swimming is a good exercise. So here, you know, swimming is a good exercise. So here, swimming is what? Verb plus ing, you know, it is clearly seen that it is participle. As previously I have told you that verb plus ing means participle. But here, in this sense, swimming is acting as a noun in front of a sentence. Swimming is itself a completely noun. Swimming a কি বুঝাইছে সাঁতোৰা কামটো বুঝাইছে. Swimming is a good exercise. সাঁতোৰাটো এটা ভাল অভ্যাস. So let's begin with present participle. So verb plus ing is participle, but in present tense it is used three types. You know, first, continuous use. Continuous use of present participle. You are already familiar with the continuous use of present participle in present continuous tense. You remember the last class? Yes. I am eating rice. So here, eat plus ing means it is a present participle in continuous sense, right? But in another sense, you may say in adjective. Present participle as an adjective sense. A very famous proverb. A rolling stone, gathers no mass. No? A rolling stone gathers no mass. Rolling stone means here it acts as a adjective for stone. Here stone is a noun, but rolling stone means we are specially mean the noun, the rolling stone. No, a rolling stone gathers no mass. Here as an adjective present participle is being used, right? Let's take another example for clear. He is playing a losing game. He is playing a losing game. Pay attention here. This is two types of present participle. Here it is used, he is playing. Here it is used as previously we have learned what? Continuous sense. In continuous sense, he is playing. তেওঁ খেলি আছে. A losing game. তেওঁ এটা হাৰিবলগীয়া খেল খেলি আছে. He is playing a losing game. In this sense, losing game, losing a game which is certainly be losing. So here it is used as adjective sense. Adjective. Present participle here used in adjective sense and present participle here used in continuous sense. Both of them together working like he is playing a losing game or he has played a losing game. There will be a losing game, that is adjective sense, present participle. তেল তুমি বুজি পালা কন্টিনিউয়াস সেন্সত তোমালোকে কেনেকৈ হল দুইটা বস্তু মই একেলগে এটা এক্সাম্পল বুজাই দিলো নহয় জানো হি ইজ প্লেইং তেওঁ খেলি আছে এই খেলি থকাটো প্লেইং প্লে প্লাস আইএনজি ভার্ব প্লাস আইএনজি ইজ প্রেজেন্ট পার্টিসিপল বাট ইন কন্টিনিউয়াস সেন্সত হ'ব কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সত যেটো ব্যৱহাৰ হয় কন্টিনিউয়াস ভাৰ্বত যেটো ব্যৱহাৰ হয় যেটো চলি আছে আৰু লুজিং গেম তেওঁ হাৰিবলগীয়া গেম এটাকে খেলি আছে তাৰমানে সবেই গম পাইছে তেওঁ নিজেও গম পাইছে হয়তো তেওঁ হাৰিবলগীয়া গেমটোকে খেলি আছে তেওঁ এইটো নিশ্চিত যে তেওঁ হাৰিব হি উইল বি লুজিং এই লুজিংটো হ'ব এডজেক্টিভত ব্যৱহাৰ হৈছে এডজেক্টিভ মানে তোমালোকে অসমীয়াত পাইছা বিশেষণ নহয় জানো পাৰ্টস অফ স্পীচ নহয় জানো পদত বিশেষণ পদ এটা বিশেষণত লুজিং গেম হিচাপে ব্যৱহাৰ হৈছে okay so let's take an example for another use right that is preposition I think you have opened the playlist named as English grammar in our YouTube channel and there you have already learned about prepositions and appropriate prepositions no so that is preposition prepositional use present participle to preposition hisabe keneka ব্যবহার হইছে হেতু আমি জানি লম preposition use so let's take an example for better understanding reading the letter I have nothing to say. What do you mean by this sentence? তুমি sentence lo ki বুজি পাইছা reading the letter I have nothing to say. এই চিঠিখন পঢ়ি আৰু মোৰ ক'বলগা একো নাই চিঠিখন পঢ়ি মোৰ মুখৰমাত হেৰাই গৈছে. In such cases present participle that is read that is the main verb plus ing is used as present participle and but in prepositional use preposition sense of ব্যবহার হইছে reading the letter so তোমালোকে গম পাইছা prepositional ক্লাছত তোমালোকে পঢ়িছিলা তো preposition মানে কি হৈছে preposition কিবা এটা বস্তুৰ আগত যেটা পজিশন লয় তাৰ মানে noun বা pronoun ইয়াত তোমাৰ এইটো noun বুজাইছে this is a noun the letter is noun so nounৰ আগত তুমি যেতিয়া preposition টো nounৰ আগত যেতিয়া তুমি read plus ing verb plus ing present participle use কৰিছা it will act as a preposition হিচাপে কাম কৰিব preposition হিচাপে ব্যৱহাৰ হ'ব অৰ্থাৎ present participle টোৱে এটা preposition হিচাপে কাম কৰিব পাৰে continuous tense টো কাম কৰিব পাৰে আৰু adjective হিচাপে কাম কৰিব পাৰে so now nominative absolute present participle is also used as nominative absolute you heard of or you have read already one poem stopping by woods on a snowy evening here it is a poem by Robert Frost no so stopping by woods on a snowy evening here it is nominated stopping is nominated the point is being stopped I'm telling being stopped that is being stopped by the woods suppose he waited being stopped by the woods he waited যেহেতু woods মানে কি অৰণ্য forest খনে তেওঁ ৰখালে forest the beauty of the woods made him stop right there that is the meaning in that sense nominative sense it is being nominated by the woods it is a nomination it is a selection that he is being stopped or he was being stopped the weather being fine we left home the weather being fine বতৰটো ভাল হৈ থকাৰ কাৰণে যেহেতু তেতিয়ালৈ বতৰটো ভাল হ'ল we left home আমি ঘৰ লাহেকে এৰিছিলোঁ that means we can go outside no being that is the selection that is the nomination by us that is an option by us that is the nominative absolute present participle so gerund means actually you can simply say verb plus noun here it acts as a verb but also helps the noun or acts as noun here reading is a subject okay it acts as subject in this sentence reading is a good habit reading means it's noun but verb plus ing it is the participle it is the gerund you know gerund it is called gerund verb plus ing but acts as a noun or acts as an object or acts as a complement is known as gerund verb plus noun verb ing don't forget verb ing it acts as noun but it is a verb that condition that participle that special participle is known as gerund it is more often we use reading is good habit here it is subject she likes dancing so here dancing is object of the sentence at the last and seeing is believing it is a proverb we often use seeing here it is now is believing is complement but both of them are gerund গতিকে তোমালোকে গম পালা simply participle বিলাকত verb plus ing টো থাকিবই যেনেকৈ নহওক লাগিলে এটো verb plus adjective হওক বা verb plus noun হওক বা past participle যে নহওক সকলোতে verb plus ing থাকে গতিকে gerundৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত verb আৰু noun দুইটা বুজাব ভাৰ্বৰ লগত ing লগ হৈ যদি সি নাউনৰ কাম কৰে যদি ক্ৰিয়াপদৰ লগত ভাৰ্বৰ লগত ing যোগ হৈ সেই যদি বিশেষ শব্দৰ কাম কৰে ইট মিন্স নাউনৰ কাম কৰে তেতিয়াহ'লে সেইটো gerund হিচাপে বিবেচিত হ'ব তাৰমানে ৰিডিং ইজ এ গুড হেবিট ৰিডিং ভাৰ্ব প্লাছ ing হৈছে কিন্তু নাউন হিচাপে কাম কৰিছে সি লাইকস ডেন্সিং ডেন্সিংত তোমাৰ ভাৰ্ব প্লাছ ing কিন্তু অবজেক্ট হিচাপে কাম কৰিছে আৰু সিং টো নাউন হৈছে কিন্তু ভাৰ্ব প্লাছ ing হৈছে আৰু বিলিভিং টো ভাৰ্ব প্লাছ ing হৈছে যদি সি কমপ্লিমেন্ট হিচাপে কাম কৰিছে আৰু এইবিলাককে gerund বুলি কোৱা হয় gerund is a special type of participles moreover আৰু দুটা তোমালোকক participle বিষয়ে মই কৈছিলো I told you about more two types of participles like perfect participle and past participle I think you are already very much familiar with past participle right because I told you to study the chart list of verbs in the chapters of tenses past participle present past and past participle is a form of verb no so perfect participle and past participle those are little bit different let's start with examples having rested a while comma we started our journey that means having rested a while কিছু সময় জিৰণি লোৱাৰ পিছত after taking rest for some time okay so having rested here we have used having h a v e have verb টো আমি ইয়াত ইউজ কৰাৰ কাৰণে এটো পাৰফেক্ট হৈছে আৰু পাৰ্টিসিপল টো তোমালোকে গম পাইছে having তাৰ মানে have verb টোৰ লগত যদি ing having টো হ'ব নোৱাৰে we cannot use ing with has form of the have verb so we have to use have plus ing that is verb plus ing as participle but perfect participle that is why having rested a while we started our journey having done the work he went to the market কামটো কৰি হেপাৰ পিছত সি মাৰ্কেটলৈ গৈছিল গতিকে have verb লগত ing যোগ হোৱাৰ পিছত হেতুক আমি participle perfect participle বুলি কম have verb লগত ing হ'ব আৰু তাৰ পিছত past participle হ'ব ইয়াত আসলে দুইটা বস্তু বুজাব পাৰি perfect participle here we can understand both past participle and perfect participle having means perfect participle and rested that means past participle of the verb rest verb let's finish today's class with the last example he had taken the matter seriously. He had taken the matter seriously. It is very simple sentence. It is, the sentence is in past perfect tense, no? So past perfect tense here, this taken, this is the past participle form of the main verb take. This is the use of past participle, and this is the only form of participle where verb plus ing is not working. So I hope today's lesson will definitely help you. Again, I will come with some more new lessons, some more exciting lessons, and promising that keep watching our YouTube channel, and thank you so much.